Hi everyone, it's Denise Reed and welcome back to my channel, Bramble Reed. Now if you're looking for all things paper mache and you are interested in the paper mache polymer clay earrings that I have been making, you have come to the right channel. So this week we are celebrating our 1,000 subscriber milestone, and I wanted to just thank everyone for watching my videos and also give a special thanks and shout out to my returning subscribers. Thank you guys so much for commenting, for leaving your likes and watching the video. It does help and I really appreciate it. So now what I'm going to be focusing on is my 4,000 watch hours. You do need 1,000 subscribers plus 4,000 for 4,000 watch hours before you are monetized. And so what I will be doing is creating some live sessions just to help me out. This week our tutorial will be focusing on bleaching paper pulp, and that is just to give you an effect for this video here that I posted last week, and I will take it in the description for the best creative DIY and craft content. Subscribe to my channel and be sure to hit that bell to be notified when I upload a post every Tuesday. I have a Facebook page that is dedicated to DIY crafts and fashion that you are able to join. Now it's your turn. So I want to show you how I changed my color for my paper bag. So you know, normally when you're doing your paper mache, you leave a little bit of water in there like that, and then you add your flour. If you're going to change the color, you need to drain out more of the water, because what you're going to do essentially is put bleach in there instead of the amount of water. And you see how much water I drained out? And then you're gonna add bleach. Comment down below if you have any ideas for the live sessions that you would like me to do. I don't know if you can see that it's changing colors already. Now, depending on the color that you want this brown to be, if you leave it, it will go kind of like a whitish yellow. You want to stop the activation, so put on a pair of gloves and squeeze out the bleach and then start making your paper mache. If you leave it for a long time, it will go lighter. Now that you know how to bleach paper pulp, I have written a guide on different designing platforms that will help you take your creative juices out of your head and put on a digital platform. I have included a list of tutorials that will help you understand these platforms better. You can download the guide at the link in the description box. Now, also on a side note, I will be changing that download so that it's more niche oriented, and it will be focusing more on the paper mache polymer clay earrings that I'm doing. Also, if you are interested in joining a group of creative minds like yourself, remember I do have that Facebook page that you are able to upload different DIY projects. You can check out the link in the description box. Check out any of my paper mache tutorials next, and my upcoming tutorial that will be posted next Tuesday. Now, if you like this video, hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and share the content with your family and friends. It does help in the algorithm. Now guys, thank you so much for being here, and I will see you next week. Have a fabulous weekend.